Hi, on this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a preview for a product where customers can upload their own pictures or logos. For that we're going to create a new product, and since it is going to be only the preview, we will set there is no need to upload a base file, and we will start by uploading an image for reference. For this I'm going to select a picture of the t-shirt I will be using to generate the preview. Now what we need to do here is add an image placeholder. These are places where customers will be able to upload their own pictures. And as you can see here, we can move the image placeholder around and resize it to make it the size that we want. Customers will be able to upload their pictures only inside the boundaries of the image placeholder. So it's very important that you position the image placeholder where you want pictures to be uploaded. For example, I want the pictures to be uploaded on the chest of this t-shirt and nowhere else, so I'm going to position the placeholder here. Now we have different options regarding the image type customers can upload. Let's try with a test image to see how this looks. So this is how full color images will work. The picture customers upload will be exactly the same way as they uploaded. Then we have the grading option where it will turn everything to black and white. And we also have the single color option, which will transfer images into vectors and remove any background. And you can choose a predefined color for that image to be. It will transform all images customers upload into a single color vector file. Now for this case, I want pictures to be exactly the way customers uploaded, so I'm going to use full color. And now I'm going to go to the next step where we will finalize the preview settings. So I need to set the background image. I'm going to use the white t-shirt as background as well. And as you can see, the placeholder we added on the previous step is already positioned in place where customers will be able to upload their pictures. Now, the only thing remaining is I want customers to also be able to change the color of the background picture. Let's upload something here just to have as reference. This is a test image, so I can see how it would look like for customers when they upload it. Now, as I was saying, I want customers to be able to change the color of the base t-shirt, and for that we're going to add dynamic images. Dynamic image adds a layer to our product that lets us upload multiple images, pictures within one layer. So when customers want to change color of the product, we will load a different background picture. Now first, let's resize this so it occupies all our canvas. And now, as you can see here, we have different positions. What I'll do is upload a different color t-shirt in each position. This is how it works. I can simply select all the colors I want for the t-shirts I already have here all at once. And as you can see, this will upload each color on a different position. Now I need to move this layer back so the logo here is visible again, the image placeholder. And as you can see, when I change position, this loads a different picture for the t-shirt. And that's pretty much it. We hit done. Next. We save our product and the preview has already been made.